Hello, everyone.
Today we talk about Christmas food and drinks in easy English.
Let's learn together. Hi, Henry.
Hi, Emma. How are you?
I am good, thank you. And you?
I am good too.
Today we talk about Christmas food and drinks.
Yes, food and drinks are very important at Christmas. Food is what we eat. Drinks are what we drink.
Henry, do you like Christmas food?
Yes, I like it a lot.
Me too.
Emma, when you see food, what do you say?
I say, the food looks nice. Looks nice means it looks good.
Good sentence.
Yes, it is polite. Henry, what if you want to taste food?
I say, can I try this? Try means taste a little.
Let's repeat.
Can I try this?
Again.
Can I try this?
Henry, what do you say when food is good?
I say, this tastes good. Tastes good means the food is nice.
Repeat it.
This tastes good.
Very good.
Emma, what if food is sweet?
I say, it is sweet. Sweet means sugar taste.
And salty?
It is salty. Salty means salt taste.
Emma, what if food is hot?
It is hot. Hot means very warm.
And cold?
It is cold. Cold means not hot. Henry, when someone gives you food, what do you say?
I say, yes, please. This is polite English.
And if you do not want it?
No, thank you. Polite way to say no.
Very good manners.
Emma, let's talk about drinks now.
Yes, drinks are important too.
What do you say when you want a drink?
I say, can I have a drink? Can I have is polite.
Repeat it.
Can I have a drink?
Again.
Can I have a drink?
Emma, what if you want water?
Can I have some water? We use some with water.
What if the drink is nice?
I say, I like it. Very simple sentence.
Or, that is nice.
Yes. Henry, what do you say after drinking?
I say, thank you. Always say thank you.
Henry, imagine you eat a lot.
Okay.
What do you say when you cannot eat more?
I say, I am full. Full means no more food.
Repeat it.
I am full. Emma, what if you want more food?
I say, can I have more, please? Very polite sentence.
Let's repeat.
Can I have more, please?
Good.
Henry, what if food smells good?
I say, it smells good. Smell is about the nose.
Very nice sentence.
Emma, what if food is new for you?
I say, this is new for me. First time eating it.
Emma, what do you say before eating?
I say, let's eat. Start eating.
Or, enjoy your food.
Yes, very polite. Henry, let's practice a short talk.
Okay.
Can I try this?
Yes, please.
This tastes good.
I am happy you like it.
Can I have more, please?
Yes, of course. Simple food conversation.
Very easy English.
Yes, very easy.
Let's repeat important sentences.
Okay.
This tastes good.
This tastes good.
Can I have a drink?
Can I have a drink?
I am full.
I am full.
Great job.
Now you can talk about Christmas food and drinks.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel, Mastery in English,
Like this video.
and comment your favorite sentence.
Merry Christmas.